Hello everybody, I'm going to make another makeup tutorial and I'm gonna rush through this because it's night. It's very late at night. I'm tired. I just got off of work, so let's hurry up and get this done. But instantly take off the makeup I already have on. Psh. Okay, we're back. Yeah, my face is scary looking. I don't care. So I'm gonna hurry up and put my hair back because I got a big freaking forehead and I got flyaways in my face. It's probably super crappy, but I don't care because this is the real deal, everybody. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing a very light look. I don't wear foundation at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do what I normally do and put on concealer. I only put them under my eyes. I don't know the whole dramatic things where people puts it everywheres, nor will I ever learn how to do that. Oh my gosh, I put so much. Oh my god, I haven't used it. Oh, I haven't used this in a very long time. We're off to an amazing start. I might as well be wearing foundation now. Oh my gosh. So next we do eyebrows. I have to fill in my eyebrows because they're gappy. So what I do is I go ahead and I trace my actual eyebrows that I still have. And then you just fill it in. I use L'Oreal. I think this container was like 15 bucks. Was it worth it? Yes, because this has lasted forever. Oh, okay, so we have this little mascara looking brush, but it doesn't actually have mascara on it. And you're gonna go ahead and just form those brows. Okay, so next we're gonna do highlight. I'm not gonna tell you who it's by because I'm pretty sure it's not actually highlighter. So since we're going for a very light look, we're gonna want to just overload. I don't typically put anywhere other than like right here, but today, you know, since it's morning and everything, not about 10:30 at night, we're gonna go crazy. I hope you guys can see how good this looks. So your goal is to basically reflect the sun. Ooh, by the end of this, you're gonna look like a god. Okay, just use a random One Wild brush. I don't know if they're a big brand, but I think they are. Now, onto the fun part. So we're gonna go ahead and take your palette. Any kind of palette will do. Oh, no, we're not gonna do that yet. Brand new. And we're gonna go ahead and contour. I do this all the time. So I have a light bronze and a shadow bronze. One's glittery, so I'm just gonna stick with that one. Oh, wow, I look orange. Oh my god. I'm gonna be right back. Give me that stupid toy. So we're gonna go ahead and take the rest of the stuff and fill it out, make your face look thinner and all that stuff. Why can't I do the opposite? Why can't I make my face look fuller? Then there'll be more of me to love. This hurts. This also has glitter in it. This is blush. So you're gonna go ahead and apply just a teeny tiny bit. Does that look good? You know what? Why not just add it to our nose too? People get like sunburnt. That's the goal here. Why not add it here like I got punched in the forehead? So next we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fun part, eyeshadows. So you want to go ahead and get this one that looks like a floofy brush, and you're gonna go ahead and put down a base. So I'm choosing the color beige. I'm sure any beige will work because every makeup company basically makes the exact same color. And then you're just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Blend. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to Fawn, which is a shade higher. You're not gonna see much difference, but there's enough of a difference to count. And then I'm gonna take some Maeve. I know that gives it like a nice warm glow, but we are not done here, okay, sister? Because we didn't do the other side. We're gonna go ahead and pile on top of all of this very light, like golden color. The gold we're trying to get here is very light. You want to cover your entire eyelid because that's what the runway models do. Okay. And then next we're gonna do the other eye. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to a nice soft white color. Okay, don't be afraid to just get out there. So next we're gonna take yellow. It's like a darker yellow, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in the crease. I'm gonna go back and take a lighter color like white and put it on my eyelid so that my eyelid's just so bright. So if you have not seen my first makeup tutorial, I must say it's amazing. Don't watch it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take that dark yellow from before and line it underneath your eye. And then you do the same to the other side. Oh. If all else fails, just blend it out. Oh, my back. Yep, that happened. Actually, you know what? I might go ahead and darken my eyebrows because I really made them just super light. You want them to be the fleekest that they've ever fleeked. You want it to look like the Skechers check mark. That way, you'll know you're good to go. Also, feel free to like go ahead and draw your eyebrows a little bit more because I was born imperfect. So basically, my eyebrows are just so far. Like, you see this gap right here? It should be closer together. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyebrows. I do this all the time. I'm embarrassed. Don't want a unibrow situation going on. Both my eyebrows are just super even. You see that? I know you do. And I know you're jealous, but it's okay. You can achieve this too. We're gonna quickly move on from our eyebrows, but I have this liquid eyeliner. So we're gonna go ahead and draw in like we have hairs. This way it looks super realistic. On fleek. As you notice, I'm using the same brush for everything. You only need one brush. That's why I haven't used any other brush. Just keep piling on more colors. I feel like I don't need to explain anything else to you. Purples, heck yeah. A very, very light purple on the end of this. Oh, gorgeous. 2 black eyes was my goal from the beginning. I'm a little wild bird that's setting herself free. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to eyeliner. You want to be very subtle with the eyeliner. We're not going overboard here. This is a very light, nice look. Ignore everything in the background, by the way. This is Alaska, you want to understand. So this just exfoliates your crease. And then we're gonna go ahead and do that lower liner. Ouch. Try not to pierce yourself in the eye. You know what? Do pierce yourself in the eye. That adds to the effect. Oh my gosh. So you're gonna go ahead and take it on your under eye circles and just trace it. It's kind of like your face is a giant coloring book. You can also add freckles. Freckles. So you want to take a very, very light color and put it in the crease of your eyeballs. Not in your eyeballs. I've tried that before. It hurts. Easy peasy. Take the lightest shade of lipstick that you have and just doodle. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Perfect. Flawless. I can't even think of what else we need to do. Oh, right. Mascara. We still have to do that. Oh my god. Almost forgot. Oh my gosh. And my eyeball. It's in my eye. Oh my god. Like the tears that are about to come on my eyes because of all the mascara. So I'm gonna go pick up that thing I just dropped. Look at my face. I look crazy. And I just unaccidentally used our white washcloths, so I have some explaining to do.